Okay, here's a video of a really rare boat. It was made by K.M.K. It's roughly 16, 17 inches long. I don't know what they called it, so I'm just going to say it's kind of like a swallow, but it's not. But anyway, it's a really rare boat. You see very few of these. I know of three. This is the third. I totally restored it. It was a mess. You'll see all the pictures and stuff. I'll put the restoration video on YouTube later. It was a mess. I had to totally redo it. It's really flimsy the way they made this boat. You'll see it in the video, the other video. But it's amazing. I had to make these metal supports. I made them out of aluminum and polished them. They're not perfect, but they really didn't come out all that bad. And I got the light to work. I had to drill out the tail here, drill this out, run the wire here down the body into a pin. Originally the power was conducted by these, but since they were missing and they were chrome plated copper, and I had no way of doing that, so I made them out of aluminum, and I just ran a wire through here and inside and wired it up. Now it runs fine. I had to make the tail piece too. This was missing. The hatch was totally missing. Windshield was a mess, but believe it or not, that's the original windshield that you'll see later in the pictures. And here is the hatch I had to make. I copied it from an existing one. Here's the inside. I replaced everything, polished all the brass, all the contacts, redid everything, rewired it totally, cleaned up the steering wheel. All the fittings were redone, rewired. Everything was rewired. The motor was completely cleaned. There is absolutely no way to get to the spring universal that connects between the motor and the prop on this thing. So I had to break the fin off and do some screwing around to get it to work, and then I had to connect the bottom piece first and put the motor. It was a nightmare. It was a bloody nightmare. I don't know how they did it originally. And then so anyway, I just cleaned it all up, polished it all up, repainted everything, rebuilt the deck. Like I said, the boat was a mess. It came out really nice. It's a beautiful little boat. And here it is running. It's a loud little bugger. But anyway, it's a pretty boat. I really like this thing a lot. I'm going to make a copy of it down the road when I got time, probably over the winter. If anybody wants one, I'll probably make it the same size. It's light as a feather. I mean, it's really flimsy built in the back. You'll see it in the video when you'll see it all stripped. Anyway, there it is. It's a boat made by KMK. I don't know, speedboat with a fin or a tail. I don't know what you would call it. But anyway, there it is. Thanks for all the kind comments on my boats. And you can see all my boats at rccraft.com and also here on YouTube. Thanks again.